Smith has to deal with him inside and out, right? And then
almost done.
He's still a walking bucket. Brooklyn may not, you know, be who they are with 4 and 5, so to speak, but you still got to.
They're bringing all the Christmas tree decor. Tatapusin na nila ngayon yan. Alright. Part 2. Hanap niyo yung kopyahan.
Wait, who's that?
Oh, busy sila oh. Gawin nyo nang maayos yan ha. Tatapusin na daw nila ngayon yan. Ito tumutulong yung bata ko. Masipag yan. Yeah. Yeah. Inaano muna nila. Sinesegregate. Ayusin muna dyan para dire-diretso ang gawa. Ayusin mo, Sharda.
May nawawala doon, yung stick.
What stick?
Yung pagano mo doon.
Maybe it's there in the box. Sure, can you check it?
I just want to put the one I want to put.
Sana matapos agad. Nice.
So I think it's the other way. Yes, I put it the wrong way.
Ah, there's a progress. Nice job. Tag team sila mag-ina.
Kenny Atkinson back in 2016 took over a Nets ball club that had won a mere 21 games the season before. In that 16-17 season, the Cavs last night got their 10th win.
Dami pa kayong kakabit ha. Ayan. Kayang yan dalawa. Teamwork. Make the dream work. Kabit ng iba. Tingnan nga natin kung tapos na siya doon. Uy, lapit na.
Okay lang ba dito sa likod, Dad? Wala?
Yeah, it's okay. Ba, lapit na. Konti na lang oh. Ginabi na. Ginabi na sa pagkawit. Nagbawi pa ng tulog maghapon eh. Gabi na talaga i-start dyan. Lapit na matapos yan. Yun, konti na lang. Oh, tapos na ba yan, Mi? Relax, nanonood na siya. Relax na siya. So, bukas okay na yan. Pagdating ko, papasok na ako. Pasok na ako sa trabaho. Bukas, sigurado tapos na yan ginagawa. Yung kalat, hindi pa. Ako na bahala dyan sa kalat. Lodi Lods. Ito, kadarating lang natin galing trabaho. Tingnan natin yung Christmas tree natin kung ano nangyari. Pero malamang tapos yun. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Tapos na. Ang kailawin natin. Dilim eh. Buksan ko yung ilaw. Oh, wait. Yun. Kaya maingay, tulog pa sila. Okay. Ayan. So, it's up. Alrighty. Oh, ito aga gumising ito. Paano ko nagising? Ah, it's too early. What time you wake up?
This time.
Huh?
On school days, I wake up.
It's too early, sure. Aga gumising ito. What time you slept last night?
Huh?
What time you slept?
Like,
Okay na yan, mga Lodi Lods.
like 8.
So, ayos na. Aga gumising yun. ako matutulog muna ako siguro mga 2 hours and a half. At mamaya ay magdadrive na naman. May pupuntahan kami birthday yan. Chicago. So maraming salamat. Stay safe y'all. And yeah, peace all. God bless. Magaling talaga si Mrs. eh. Good job, me. Tsaka niligpit din yung kalat. Yung mga box ng mga ornaments, yung mga box, yung mga bola na yan, tsaka mga flowers. Niligpit din ni Mrs. Magaling talaga. Good job ka dyan. Very good. Yeah. Jesus is the reason for the season. That's true. Galing, me. Galing talaga mag-ayos yun eh. Si Mrs. ng Christmas tree. Diba? Detalyado yan.